Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use reference images in creating an image with in MidJourney. So let's get started. So first, what we want to do is, of course, go here to midjourney.com so that we can access this and join the Discord server of MidJourney because you need that so that we can use the AI of MidJourney. So let's go click here on join the beta. And then when you click that, you will be directed to the Discord invite link, and you want to accept that so that you will be directed here. You will be here in the MidJourney Discord server, and as you can see, here in the server, there are a lot of people using it here. I think these are the examples of people using MidJourney to create their images, using it for whatever purposes. As you can see, these are really good images, high quality, and there are a lot of servers here, like phone chat. You can discuss with other people here. So you can see, but you need to have permissions to send messages to this channel. But here in Newbies, you don't have to. We can just type here what you want. Here and like create an image here. You can do it right here. So once you have joined this Discord, you may also want to sign in here so that you can add the tutorial. So when you sign in, you will be prompted here. You just need to connect your Google account or Discord account, and you will be prompted here. And here you can see that option to purchase a plan. And here, these are the plans for the journey. For yearly, these are the basic, standard, and pro plan. And if it's yearly billing, you can save much more than when you choose monthly billing. There is really a huge difference. So you might want to really think about that. And now let's go back to the dashboard here. So if you want to view the examples of what MidJourney can do, you can click here and showcase, and it will show you boost one. And there, here. As you can see, these are really cool images that you can use. And yeah, you can choose this one. I specifically like this one. The quality, the high quality images, it's just that it is so real. Like there is no sign of pixelations here that is happening. And it's just really on point to what the user has prompted to the AI Spider-Man from Marvel's Cinematic Universe, stylized new look with black and red symbiotic suit, gold colored, and as you can see, it is really on point. And now let's go back. So what we want to do now is go get our reference image from Google or from whatever sources that you want. Let's say we want it in Google, and we want to have a short, because our image will be about short. So let's go here, and let's say we selected this, and now let's download, save image as, and you have to make sure that it is like this here. It's JPEG or JPG or PNG. You don't want to download any of other files, otherwise it won't work. So make sure it is PNG or JPG. And next, we want to download, of course, this one. I have downloaded it so that it can be easy. It's here. Lighter-based, as you can see, it's JPG and JPG, and this could work. And now what we want to do is go back to the Discord server. And in here, if you want to just go and start here in this channel or the server, then you can also do that. But in this example, I'm going to show you how you can add a server and add the MidJourney bot into it so that we can do your prompts there and edits or requests to the MidJourney bot. So first, let's go create a server. Let's go click here, add a server, and then create my own, or just for my funding reference. And let's say my MidJourney example there, create. And in here we have the server now. And now what we want to do is add the MidJourney bot into it. So what you have to do is simply find the MidJourney bot, this chat or in here. It depends on where you want. Let's say we want to here. Let's just click this name. And we have the option to add the server. So we're going to click it. Let's click. And then here you want to select the server that you have created. And in my example, it's the MidJourney example, because that is the name that I have put. And authorize. Here I am a human. Then after that, after this pop up that it is authorized, it is now successfully added to your server here. As you can see, MidJourney bot was now here, and it says I wasn't in MidJourney bot as a fear. So let's type slash. Here, let's type slash. And as you can see, these are the commands that you can use in MidJourney bot. So first, let's view info. And as you can see, this will reveal your info, your account info regarding MidJourney. And as you can see, my subscription is trial, and my fast time remaining 25 minutes lifetime usage, 2 jobs, and etc. So now what we want to do so that MidJourney can use our reference image is upload our image here in the chat. So let's upload it. Let's just drag it so that it's easy there. And this one, make sure all your images is uploaded here, and then you want to hit enter, and then here it's now uploaded. So what we're gonna do now is go type slash, then imagine, and this one you want to have this command here. It says struct, and this is where we will be stating our specific instructions or specifications on what we want to do and what we want our image to look like. So let's say since we want to have this reference image included in the prompt, then we should click here, and you want to copy image link, copy link here, and you want to paste it right here, and then press space, and then you want to go to the next photo, and then you want to copy the link, and then go back, and then here, paste it again, and there you go, and space again. Then after you have put the links of your reference images here, you need to click on space and add your specifications a bit more. Let's say we want it in a modern painting style, modern painting, and then comma, another specification. Let's say you want this ultra, let's just say HQ, high quality, then 4K. And we also want to add double hyphen or double dash there, and then press V so that it means version, and add 4. And what this means is that there will be 4 variations or 4 versions of the images that MidJourney will provide, so that you can choose very well and hide. So after you have done inputted your specification, let's now click enter. And as you can see, I can access it because my subscription is on the trial, and I need a subscription to go use MidJourney. And also I can use my free trial right now, even though I have no free trial and I haven't used it yet because of its true demand. So what I'm gonna do is just show you the reference images here in the Discord server. Here, as you can see, here they are. And this is what I'm talking about. This V1, V2, V3, V4 as what we have inputted here on this V4 command right here. This is what it looks like here in the journal. So what this basically means is that if you click on V1, it will create versions of this photo, and V2 versions of this photo, and so on. And for this one, U1 to U4, it means upscale image 1 to upscale image 4. If you want to choose this one, then you should choose V1 so that it will be upscaled, and you can download it and use it freely. And after that, that is basically it for this video, and that is how you create your own image here using reference images. So that's it, guys. If you just use the commands correctly, you will be able to achieve this with a subscription or a free trial if it is available.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.